Chuck's back again. I've just finished making this. It was a bit of a mammoth effort because I had to extend all the wires. This is all my load resistors. They've been screwed on. What I ended up doing was I got a 3.5mm drill, drilled them out, and I put 3mm 25mm screws in with nuts and some washers that I had hanging around, and then I extended everything so that when I plug it into the main board here on the opposite side to this, hold on, I'll talk about that in a minute, onto here, it's not going to get in the way or short anything out, especially these transistors, which I'll probably end up gluing into positions with some plastic glue so they don't move. My suggestion, like I said before, is to use the surface mounts in those positions. I didn't realise that it would be so much of a rigmarole and a mess. I also would say with these little connectors, I would rather have gone to these connectors like Brett has. So Brett's been doing it for a bit longer than me. This is my first build, so I would change back onto them. Still waiting for the bits to go underneath those to connect them in, and that's pretty much it. I've got to do some programming as well. And one other thing I found, Brett alluded to me that this part here from the 5V to the 3V has a short. This part here doesn't, and he probably knows that anyway. I'm probably saying the wrong thing there, but the actual short is actually in the USB host. It's got a short between the 5 and the 3.3V rail, and I don't know why, but hopefully someone will put something up to show me how to fix that. I'll leave that out at the moment until we get onto it, but it's pretty much taken shape now. I only have to put the wires onto the TP 4056s, and she's pretty much ready to go except for the software, which we'll be getting to soon. Now, another thing, a viewer, and thank you that viewer who told me about it's not a buck converter, it's actually a boost converter, which actually goes up higher. So that might have been the reason I was having a lot of problems with the 3.3 line, but I thought it wouldn't. But it still puts out nice 7.5 volts. So that'll run into here. The other bit will be fused, and I'll put a fuse into it, and not this side, but that side over here, it'll be hooked into there. And so one PC power supply, which you can get for next to nothing, and everyone knows that no one uses towers as much nowadays as what they used to. So you should be able to get yourself a power supply to do the job. Anyway, that's it from me for today. I'm going to plug all them in. I've actually also put all the numbers of each one, yes, so that I know which one is which. And yeah, that'll just sit in the bottom of a case or something. I might even make a wooden case for this. Or if I get my printer back in time, which is missing at the moment. I've got the other printer over here, but I have a lot of problems with that in summer. It doesn't want to play the game, but we'll get around to playing with that as well. I have got another printer, but I haven't pulled it apart yet to have a look at it. So yeah, we'll get around to that as well. Anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe, please like. I'm sorry about my videoing at the moment. I've got to get all my stuff is packed away. We're doing stuff at the moment. We're waiting to sell our home, which hasn't got anything to do with you guys. But yeah, we're just waiting, and so I've got a lot of mess at the moment. Okay, I'll catch you. Bye bye.